We're now going to proceed to the disassemble and general inspection of the tracks. To do so, you're going to want to be installed on a table, and we're going to be doing this by sequences. So the first sequence is going to be to remove the plastic that is under the wheel. The second step is we're going to remove the pins that are holding the guiding plates. Now that we have removed the pins, we remove the guides. Third step, we're going to remove the climber assembly. Fourth step, we're going to remove the rock guard. Fifth step is we're going to remove the bracket that holds the chain tensioner, and this is going to facilitate the removal of the track. Sixth step, we're going to remove the snow deflectors. Step 7, we're going to remove the two external scrapers. Now on to step 8, we're going to proceed to the removal of the two drives. On each drive there's a slot that you need to align with the internal scraper in order to remove the drive. So you're going to need to rotate the drive. As you can see here, the drive is well aligned so that we can remove it. We're going to remove the two bolts. Step 9, we're going to remove the under wheel cover assembly. Remove all 4 bolts. Step 10, we're going to remove the 2 internal scrapers. Now step 11, we're going to proceed to the removal of the 8-inch wheel axle assembly. You're going to want to keep the track horizontally to remove the bolts, but to remove the wheel assembly, you're going to want to put the track to its side. You're going to have to hit with a rubber mallet to remove the axle. So, as for step 12, we're going to remove the rubber track. To do so, you're going to want to put all the slack up in one end and remove it from the other end. Now moving forward on to step 13, we're going to remove the lower slider plate. You're going to need to remove the 33 screws. They are 4mm Allen screws. Once all the screws have been removed, you remove the lower sliding plate. Also, before you can remove the axles, you will need to remove the central screws that are on the upper slider plate. Before you remove your axle, it is always good practice to verify if everything is rolling good, if there is any irregularity. We verify that all the bearings are rolling good. Verify all of them. It is totally normal that you hear the wheels rub against the plastic fillers. One other important thing is to verify the side play. You're going to want to apply a little bit of pressure both ways. You should have a 1mm play. If you see that you have more than that, it might be a problem with the bearings. We're going to proceed to the next step, which is the removal of the axles and the fillers. So to do so, we're going to put the track on its back. And we're going to unscrew all the nuts from all the wheels. Now that the bolts have been removed, we can remove all the axles. By removing the axle, the filler will come out automatically. There is 3 different types of fillers. The ones in the center are all the same, and the one on the end is a different model. And also the one that is at the junction of the turning point of the track. So there's 3 different kinds of fillers. This completes the disassembly of the track. Now all the wheels have been removed. The lower slider plate you just leave into place. You are now ready to do the inspection or reassemble the track.